Hi, I'm Dr. Bob Rubin from SafeMoneyProducts.com. Do you know how to find the best investment? You will after you watch this video. It's easy. The best investment is the one whose profits you keep. If your profits vanish because you hold until your profit turns into a loss, hold until a small loss turns into a big loss and then a huge loss, hold so long your annual return turns small even when you do profit, then you're not making the best investment. So what can you do? You need to know about exit strategy and position sizing. Exit strategy. Never make an investment without knowing when and how you'll get out. That's called an exit strategy. You should have an exit strategy in place before you invest in anything. You should be able to write it down, nothing fuzzy allowed. Know what will trigger your sell order. Good exit strategies let you keep your profits and cut your losses. That's your best investment. Wall Street wisdom is, cut your losses, but let your winners ride. A few big wins and many small losses can equal a win overall. Position sizing. Never risk more than 3% of your portfolio in any one position, and that's on the high side. Why so small? Look at what it takes to recover from a loss. Lose half your portfolio, and you've got to double what's left to recover your loss. Is a 100% profit easy? Lose a quarter of your portfolio, and you've got to make a third profit on what's left to recover your loss. Is a 1/3 profit easy? Lose even 10% of your portfolio, and you've got to make 11% on what's left to recover your loss. Small losses leave you with enough capital to keep investing. Control risk by controlling position size. The less you invest in any one thing, the less you risk. That's your best investment. Your exit strategy affects your position size. You could allow a small percent loss on a big investment or a big percent loss on a small investment to get the same results. The key is that you risk only what your exit strategy will let you lose, not your total investment. Multiply the money you invest by the percent loss you can live with. The result should be no more than 3% of your portfolio, tops. Emotion is the investor's enemy. People hold too long because of greed and fear. Greed for bigger profits, fear of realizing a loss. The best investment is mechanical. Follow your exit strategy like a machine, automatically, no matter what your feelings scream. Place exit orders with your broker in advance. Acting when the time is right makes your best investment. So what do exit strategies look like? Stop orders are probably the best known. You tell your broker to sell if the price falls to some specific point. Some people use 8% below the purchase price. Others use 10%, 15%, or 25%. But stop orders don't always do their job. The price can fall way below your stop price before your order gets filled. There's another danger, which is that market makers sometimes will deliberately sell in order to trigger people's stop prices. Market makers can see all the pending orders, and if they know that there are many people that have similar stop prices, they push the price of the stock down. All of those stop orders are triggered. Then the market maker can buy up everybody else's stock for a very cheap price. So you don't want to be victimized that way. There are also stop limit orders, and they limit the price you'll accept after a stop order is triggered. The trouble there is you might not get out at all if the price falls below your limit. Trailing stop orders automatically raise the stop price if a stock price rises. If you bought a stock for $50 and used a 10% trailing stop, you'd sell if the price fell to $45, $50 minus 10%. But if the price rose to $60, your stop price would automatically rise to $54, which is $60 less 10%. The stop price never falls after it rises. Trailing stop orders are good ways to hold on to profits, but trailing stop orders may sometimes push you out of stock sooner than you want. Put options work like insurance policies. Buying a put lets you sell your stock for a safe price of your choice. The cost of the put reduces your profit, but you're safe no matter what happens to the stock. That's your best investment. Now that you know about your best investment, find it at safemoneyproducts.com. You can get 4 free reports and buy monthly action alerts. This is Dr. Bob Rubin wishing you good, safe investing.